Hi, this is Jay here. I'll show you how to order the free Bhagavad Gita book from official site. It's easy. Follow along and I'll guide you step by step. Open the browser and search for Yatharth Gita as I searched in here. This is the main site you can see. Click on it. It will take few time to load the site fully. Once you get onto the home page, you can see the order a free book option here. Click over here. After clicking, just scroll down. Okay, and now choose your country. If you are in India, pick India. If you are outside India, the site usually asks you to download the soft copy instead of a printed book. I'll show you both. Click on the other country option first if you are from other country. After coming on this page, you will see a link. Click over here and you will get a soft copy of Bhagavad Gita. See, this is the page where you will see the soft copy of Bhagavad Gita in each language: Sanskrit, Tamil, Marathi, Odia, Assamese, Kannada, Malayalam. These are Indian languages, but you want a soft copy in international languages, then click here for international. On this page you will see the Bhagavad Gita English versions: Chinese, Spanish, Urdu, Indonesia, Dutch, Arabic. All these are soft copies of Bhagavad Gita. And if you are Indian, let me quickly guide you through here. Order a few free book and then click on India, and then you will get this form where you will have to fill all the details to get the hard copy for free. It comes with free delivery. You have to put your first name, last name, mobile number. After putting the mobile number, you will get an OTP on your mobile number. So you'll have to verify that OTP, then email ID and the address on which you want your book, Bhagavad Gita, then city, the pin code, and the state, India, nationality, and then select the language in which you want your Bhagavad Gita version. Select the quantity, how many books you want, and you can here comment the optional message. If you want to write something in here, you can write it, and just click on the confirm button. Once you submit this form, you will get a confirmation mail or SMS, and then you can expect your delivery within 8 to 15 days of your hard copy. In my personal case, I got my Bhagavad Gita hard copy within 7 days. So yeah, Gita Jayanti is also coming, and if you want to know about the Bhagavad Gita chapter by chapter without reading it, I have also made other videos, a full playlist where I shared my personal experience, what I learned from Bhagavad Gita, reading it chapter by chapter. I have made separate videos on each chapter, the key lessons in the simplest language. You can check out that over here on my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to SoulHacks for more simple guides and spiritual videos.